Hi guys, welcome back to OT Closet. Let's play a game of emotions. The rules of the game are to copy emotions for 20 seconds, then freeze for 15 seconds when you see a speaker, and then guess the emotion. Embarrassed, proud, silly. Copy emotions that the hand is pointing to. 3, 2, 1. The boy feels silly. Sad, shocked, sick. Copy emotions that the hand is pointing to. 3, 2, 1. The boy feels sleepy. Tired, scared, puzzled. Copy emotions that the hand is pointing to.
Whoa! Whoa! Oh!
He is surprised.
Oh! Whoa!
Scared, tired, silly. Copy emotions that the hand is pointing to. 3, 2, 1. He feels upset. Thanks for playing with me today. I will see you next time. Bye.